Our top story: 4 months ago, Beaufort County Administrator Eric Greenway was fired from his job. It came after he was accused of sexual harassment, misconduct, and misspent funds.
Now, his case is under scrutiny from the state prosecutors. WSAV's Joseph Leonard is joining us to explain what Greenway is accused of and why it's now in the hands of the state.
The state is now investigating former Beaufort County Administrator Eric Greenway. On Tuesday, the South Carolina Attorney General's office announced it will prosecute his potential public corruption case.
The case has switched from local hands to state prosecutors. 14th Judicial Circuit Solicitor Duffy Stone asked the state attorney general's office to take over the case. Stone says the state grand jury has, quote, broader powers to investigate cases than a local grand jury. In a statement to News 3 on Tuesday, Stone says in part, the state grand jury is an investigative body vested with powers county grand juries do not. Those include the ability to compel sworn testimony. This power can be helpful in investigations involving potential public corruption. And the investigations into former Beaufort County Administrator Eric Greenway started months ago.
Motion number 1 is a motion to terminate Eric Greenway with cause and to remove him from office of Beaufort County Administrator effective immediately.
That's how Greenway's firing started. His 2-year stint as the county administrator came to a close in July. Beaufort County Chairman Joe Passament says Greenway was fired for violating county guidelines. Greenway hired outside contractors and racked up thousands worth of unapproved spending.
You violated several provisions of the Beaufort County's purchasing ordinance, its procurement regulations, processes, and guidance for employees and payment practices.
At a county council meeting in September, Greenway spoke through his lawyer, Paul Porter. Porter says Greenway didn't have a background in government, which he was upfront about, and that forced him to rely on others. He says the reasons laid out by the county shouldn't fall on Greenway, but instead, the county rushed through the investigation.
That is still not the sort of intentional insubordination discussed in the cause provision of Mr. Greenway's contract. Mr. Greenway never willingly disregarded a lawful directive of counsel. That would not be in his nature, and you all know that.
Also in Stone's letter is the public corruption claims against former Colleton County employee Jeffrey Hill. The AG office will also handle that case, which centers on wiretapping charges. Hill's mother is embattled clerk of court Becky Hill, who's also under scrutiny. She's accused of tampering with the jury in Alec Murdoch's murder trial. Joseph Leonard, WSAV News 3, on your side.